Howdy all you cowboys, cowgirls, gunfighters, and gamblers. Welcome to another episode of... Did you hear that?
Leroy Knight, where are you? I can smell the black powder.
Oh no.
Oh yes. Gotcha now, Jed I. Alright, Jed I. Got any last words?
Yeah, goodbye. Good job. That was good. That was awesome. Yes, indeed. That was a lot of fun to make and edit, and I certainly hope you all enjoyed watching this rather unorthodox unboxing of this NERF Microshot Hammershot. Now, if you've ever been to a shoot with me, especially a larger match, you know that I love to play with NERF blasters. The way I see it, when the real guns go away, the toy guns come out to play. And I usually have a big box of NERF blasters in the basement of the night house. I'll haul those blasters out, pass them around, and typically a big NERF war will break out on the range or sometimes in the dinner tent. My favorite blaster to use is the NERF Hammershot. The Hammershots are a single action 5-shot revolver with very effective ranges and good accuracy. Well, as accurate as you can get with a foam dart. But when I saw the new line of Microshot blasters coming out by NERF and I spotted this new mini-Hammershot, I knew I had to add it to my collection. NERF also released 2 other Microshot blasters in this first series, a mini Fire Strike and a mini Strong Arm. These little blasters are basically JOLT single-shot pistols, and they work like a muzzle loader. You insert a foam dart into the barrel and prime it by pulling the T-bar style handle at the base of the grip. Unfortunately, this is where I think the Microshot Hammershot fails to live up to its name and its lineage. It should be primed with the hammer, not with the typical JOLT style priming handle. But it's still a fun little blaster, especially for the price. I picked mine up at a Target store for $6.99, and that included the blaster and 2 darts. And I think it's an effective backup to your foam flinging loadout, but I also feel like NERF missed the target when it comes to the priming style on this particular JOLT. But what do you think? And what's your favorite NERF blaster? Let me know down in the comment section below. Also, make sure to click that like button on this video. That's important on YouTube. That's all I have for this week. Tune in next week for another Wild West adventure. I'm Jed I, and I'll see you somewhere in some time.